YouTube, what is up? What is good, you guys? It's the Boul Nate. Shout out to the Boul Nation here, feeling good, man. I'm feeling good. Well, I'm kind of feeling good, but as I can see from the title of the video, the job market and looking for a job is honestly really stressful. So for me, it's been a really crazy year because this is my second time this year actually looking for a new job. So first time back in February, I was laid off, and then it wasn't until June where I got the new job. But then back in October, I left because it wasn't really working out how I thought it was gonna be, and there's other factors in there. But so this is my second time looking for a job, and honestly, it's been pretty crazy, pretty busy. But I'm gonna get more into it. So honestly, for me, I think it's really just a lot of burnout because you're getting a lot of calls from, you're getting calls from recruiters, and you're getting maybe some calls from like hiring managers, and then you're getting bombarded with so many emails. Because honestly, for me, I think I got a little OCD or ADHD, whatever, but like I hate having too many emails or too many notifications popping up, because like I just get easy like distracted, and like I just view them so quickly to like I'm like, all right, I got to clean my inbox out, or at least clean up as much as I can, because obviously I keep like maybe some emails or things like that that's like coming up. But that's one thing. So between that and then you just get your phone keep ringing up, like you get like all these different calls from different phone numbers. It's like, hey, can we talk for a little bit, or hey, got some time to chat, or this and that. And then it's like, what's your work history, what you like to do, did they be a good fit for you? What's your desired salary? So like, and then like you get those same kind of questions over and over again. And I know it's not the fault of the recruiter, because like, that's what you gotta do. They got to figure out, what you're looking for, what your background's like, so they can match you up with different positions. But after like 5, 10, 15, 20, whatever amount of recruiters asking the same questions, like, bruh, like communicate with each other, something like that, or like it feels like you just want to just post like a general thing of like what you're looking for, what you like to do, what's your salary, and just post it up there so everybody just knows what you want. But what I think is the hardest part about all of this is that it's not really too much feedback from like the interviewers. Like, you go to an interview, you might think you did good, or maybe you did like okay, but there's never no feedback. It's always like, all right, we're moving forward with other candidates, but we hope to keep your your resume for other considerations. What I think is BS, because they rarely message you back, or they might hit you back like a whole like year later, but oh yeah, this job might be good for you. I'm like, bro, like I waited a whole year to find me something, but that's a whole different story. But yeah, I just feel like if interviewers could get like more feedback on like maybe like you can like be more descriptive about your stuff, or maybe like you don't have enough either experience for the role. I mean, it's more, or maybe like more development experience, or maybe more business experience, or more finance, whatever it is. Like, let me know. Let a brother know. Like, don't be like, no, we move forward. You're just like, what can I improve? What can I do more? Or what can I add? Or what can I maybe like get like certifications or whatever? You get no feedback, bro. It's crazy. But that's one of my biggest gripes, and that's one thing that's really got me angry. And then also the other thing is, some recruiters don't mean hit you back, like especially like if the interview doesn't go good, or you don't get picked up, like some of them just go ghost, and then again they don't hit you back till like 3, 4, 5, 6 months later. It's like, it's too late now. Like I got like a new job, or like I'm already like deep in like other like negotiations or interviews. It's just like, I don't know, it kind of like a waste of time. And the biggest thing that sucks is that like there's gonna be more and more layoffs going to next year, because there's so much with the economy, the regular like the economy and the stock market are totally different. Like, stock market makes everything look like it's going great, but the true economy is not good at all. And we're gonna see more and more IT jobs and more jobs in general just cutting jobs, especially with like the rise of automation, AI. You're gonna see much more jobs get cut off, and things like that. So like the job market's gonna get super like crowded pretty soon, and that's gonna throw another wrench in everything, because obviously there's gonna be so many more qualified like people in the pool. So it's gonna add some more to it. But yeah, like the job search has definitely been way much, I guess, harder and difficult than definitely years past. Because I've been able to kind of like move around jobs pretty easily in the past, but not 2024. 2024, nope. It's been taking a good while. So like yeah, so like the first time it took about like 3.5 months, maybe 3 months, 3.5 months. Yeah. Well, it was more like 3 months, and then like I had my start date like in June, so it's about like 3 months, and then now I'm going on lower 2 months now, so looking for a job. So, but yeah, it's kind of crazy how it's going, but I'm gonna try to keep the faith. I mean, that's all I can do. Keep the faith, trust God, trust in myself, trust my abilities, and you can do the same, and you will do the same, because we just want to be able to live comfortably, and obviously for a lot it's just kind of a nice paying job, and hopefully a secure job, really like a job that's really like long term. But it's a good sleep for me, and I'll catch y'all next video.